In this tutorial, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a quick way to render, or at least speed up your rendering by 200%. I don't think anybody has actually covered this in the past. Let me just show you what I mean. So what we're going to do is just render this scene out and then see how fast we can render it with a few little changes. Let's just render the image. So we're rendering the image over here, and we're just letting Blender's own denoiser just work on the image. Just leave it to actually finish its stuff, and once it's finished I'll show you the alternate way to do this, which I think is a lot quicker and to actually as good an effect in less time. As you can see, we're up to 176, we're now on 192. I've done this at 200 samples, so it's got quite a good sample rate, and as you can see there's a lot of fireflies on the floor at the minute, but they should disappear once the actual render denoises. Just waiting for them. It shouldn't be long now, and we'll see what the final time is for this render of this simple scene of a couple of chairs, plants, and of course the bookcase. Now, as you can see, the actual render took 1 minute 35 seconds. Not that long for this complicated a scene because there's a lot of 4K textures, especially on the books, but let's try and speed this up. I'm just going to shut this render down, and what we're going to do now is take Blender's denoiser off, and we're going to go into compositing, and we're going to add in another denoiser. What we're going to do is add filter, also called a denoiser, and it's up to you how accurate you want it to be, but there's several settings in there. There's accurate, there's fast, there's none, and of course there's high quality. Let's just select high quality and just see what it does. The F12 key to actually start the render. Let's carry on. Like I said, the last one took 1 minute 35 seconds, 0.29 as it shows there on the last render. So this is actually going through quite quickly, and that's because it's not denoising the frames as it goes. As you can see, there's quite a lot of fireflies on the floor again. We're on 40 seconds now, and as you can see, for it to be twice as fast would be nice, and we've got a render time there of 49 seconds, and as you can see, if we zoom in on the image, it's just as clean as the other image, but it's done in 49 seconds, nearly 50. A lot quicker for this complicated render. Well, it's got a lot of textures. Hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tip, and if you'd subscribe to my channel, leave a comment and of course subscribe. Bye for now.